Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make a soft reset of your Audi A4 S401 multimedia interface.
We are sitting in a car and we are going to perform a soft reset of your multimedia interface. That is possible if there are some failures. That means you have a black screen. Maybe you have a black screen. Before you reset or you reboot your system, you should push that button because this button can bring back your screen. But if you have freeze frame on the center, freeze frame on your multimedia interface, for example, then you should perform an MMI reset. A restart, not a reset. A restart will not delete anything, of course, but a reboot is most of the time the solution for problems. How we perform this? We go to the middle console here and we can see something. This is a joystick here. We can rotate and we can push on it. We can go right, left, up, down. We have buttons right and left. We have menu button, back button. We have short buttons, for example, to go to meteors. We can go to radio, we can go to telephone or to navigation. Okay, that's how we can navigate through that. For performing a reboot of the system, you see the system is already on. For perform a reboot, we push that button down and at the same time we push these two buttons in the front direction. Okay, that means if you have all fingers, go and push. That means here, take it here, push and go to the front side. Hold this for, I think, 3 seconds or 2, then it will be perform a reboot. So I hold here, I push there, and now I use these levers to get them forward, and at the same time I push down that button. So let's perform this now. Here we are, we push and get forward, hold it a little bit, so there we are. You see, now the system will be rebooted after a couple of seconds. Here we are back in business. That is most of the time. This is a troubleshooting thing if your multimedia interface have a little problems. If this does not solve the problem, you should make a clear factory reset in settings, and this is another video, of course. So, again, push and slide them forward at the same time for approximately 1 up to 2 seconds, and the reboot will be done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So soon.